So this is my cell biology board game, and it's like the board game of snakes and ladders, but instead the mitochondria serves as the snake and the DNA would be the ladder. You would need a dice or a dice-like item and some figurines to use for the game. Ideally, there should be 3 or more members so the game could be more fun. On the way there are gonna be questions. Land on a block that says question. It will go back and forth between the blue cards, or the cell questions, or the green cards, which are about the cell diagrams. So for the cell diagrams that will be asked during the game would be this prokaryote, a diagram of the chloroplast, and here are the letters they would have to answer, and the mitochondria. There's also some labels here they would have to answer, and lastly the plant cell. The blue will be just cell questions. Some would have multiple choice, and then the answer would be here. So there are some blocks that has the word question, and if you got the answer correctly, which is the check mark, you have to go up, while if you got it wrong, you have to go back 3 times for 1, 2, 3. There are also checkpoints, so the game could be more fun and just keeps on going. So they can't go ahead unless they got the question right, while if they got it wrong, they would have to go back for 4 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's also a block where you would have to answer a question, and if you got it right, you could stay, but if you got it wrong, you would have to go down. There's another checkpoint here at the very end. You win and you get to the end, you just get the bragging rights that you know really well about biology and that you studied well and hard about it. So in this game, the players will also be given 30 seconds to answer the question, and once they go past the 30 seconds, another player can steal and answer the question. So an example of a steal would be if this player lands in 215 and they get a question, and within the 30-second limit they didn't get the question right, another player could just steal. If this red player wanted to steal, they would have to answer the same question. If this player got it right, they could roll the dice once again, and this yellow player would have to go back once, and then they would have to go back down there.
Okay, let's go. 9.
That was a good one. No.
3, 9.
Yeah.
A question already.
Which ER lacks ribosome?
Excuse me?
ER. You have
Small
like
ER.
15 more seconds left.
Okay,
You gotta steal.
Smooth endoplasmic.
Yeah.
There's rough and smooth.
Right.
Oh no!
Smooth ER.
Part, oh wait, what part C? What's part C? What do you call that? Which one is it?
Just say something.
Yeah, just
Chromosomes, I don't fucking know.
nobody stealing?
Me, I'll try. Is it a Christe?
Yes.
Still know my stuff. It's Christe. I'm a roll
Guys,
again.
this is why you drop bio, okay? Sometimes you'll need it in life, just like this one. And you'll make a fool out of yourself. So don't do it. Don't drop it, it's important.
What is ATP? Like the whole
the
the whole name. Like,
Adenosine triphosphate.
yay!
Yeah. 7 days. Oh, you dodged that bullet. Oh, wait, what? He was almost here. He goes there.
3. 1.
How many
2.
checkpoints? Oh no.
Oh.
3 main types of passive transport.
Time's up.
At least I got one.
So you
All good.
stay.
It's a question.
Yo, this one.
Yes.
F.
I'm not sure about this one also.
Three main types of active transport.
What's the opposite of diffusion? Infusion?
No!
That's it.
Anybody would like to
Steal?
steal?
Steal.
But he does not.
I don't know.
No.
Yeah.
A thylakoid. You're not.
You roll, you roll.
List two hair-like structures that extends from plasma membrane to move an entire cell.
Is it the cilia and like the flagella?
Yeah. We haven't had a plant, so.
Oh yeah.
D.
What is this bean-like shape?
Oh,
Can I have a hand?
Cleaning. What the fuck? You steal?
Oh, never mind. What? What's the hint?
Space.
Space.
Oh, that's a good one.
Cleaning and space.
Vacuum cleaners.
Vacuum.
Yeah! No, you won!
What is the fluid outside thylakoids?
What?
28, 29,
Those are the one who
30.
makes
You're
eight
Okay,
done.
right?
You're going back.
Letter.
letter E.
Can I steal?
You stealing?
Yeah.
What?
Granule?
Okay, you
Granule?
Should you
done.
accept that?
Yeah! Yeah! It's
Yeah.
pronounced granum.
Yeah, yeah. What are the two types of cells?
Plant and animal cell. What?
Oh, I know. Can I see?
No.
Can I
Wait,
steal?
that's the same type of food.
Yeah, that's the same type of
That's the
cell.
same type
Yep,
of cell.
10 seconds. Prokaryotic?
Yes, and
Eukaryotic. You create.
it's prokaryotes and eukaryotes.
Yeah.
Outer membrane?
Yeah. List one cell theory. Oh, I know it.
All
One
living things
cell
are made up
theory.
of cells?
Yes.
Oh wow, that's okay. Good game.
Yay.
That was actually
All
really
that matters, I
fun.
won
Yeah.
the first one.
That was a lot more fun than Snakes and Ladders.
So this is my cell biology board game, and I hope this has inspired you to make your own board games at home. You can play these with your friends and you can have so much fun with them. Thank you.